Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Begin by using the search bar at the top. Type a clear keyword, sender name, or subject phrase to narrow results. Once done, add a Gmail search operator like in, anywhere, or remove, inbox to include archived messages. Make sure to press enter or tap search so Gmail runs the filter across all folders. This first step forces Gmail to show items outside the inbox and gets you directly to likely archived threads without digging through labels. Now you'll inspect the filtered results to find the exact conversation. Open each promising thread and verify sender, date, and message content so you don't restore the wrong item. If results are noisy, refine the query with operators like from Alice at example. Com or subject. Invoice and limit by date using before 2025/01/01. Once you confirm it's archived, note whether it shows no inbox label. That signals it's truly archived, not deleted. This careful verification. To restore, select the conversation and choose Move to Inbox so it returns to your primary mail stream. On desktop, use the Move to Inbox button. In the mobile app, tap the three-dot menu, choose Move, then Inbox. Make sure labels are adjusted if you want the message grouped. Adding a label helps prevent re-archiving later. Once done, refresh or sync your devices to confirm the message appears. If it doesn't show, check trash and filters. A filter might auto-archive incoming mail. Adjust it to stop automatic archiving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.